eBooks are an excellent way to supplement an order of printed books from 48-hour books. But some authors aren't sure what changes can and do occur during the conversion process. Here are a few of the main changes that you can expect when you get your printed book converted into an ebook. Fonts will change based on the reader's personal choice. With the exception of the cover and title pages, most fancier fonts are removed from your file during the conversion process. These fonts are replaced with similar-looking fonts that are more universal, allowing your book to have a more consistent look across numerous devices. Text-wrapped images throughout your book, should you have them, will be altered slightly. Not every e-reader supports text wrapping, so we typically position images centered between paragraphs rather than beside them. As far as background images go, those are removed, since flowable ebooks don't support this function either. MultiColumn text, like in a Bible or cookbook, is converted to a single column during the conversion process. Most e-reader devices and applications can't display text in multiple columns, which is why this change is made. If your printed book contains an index, we like to remove it during the conversion process. An index in a printed book refers to specific page numbers. In an ebook, the page numbers vary based on device and font selection, which would result in an inaccurate index. Headers and footers throughout your book will also be altered. Each e-reader from the iPad and iPhone to the Nook and Kindle handles headers differently, which is why we allow each device to automatically generate them based on the book title and author name. These are just a handful of changes that occur to your files during the ebook conversion process. For more information about ebooks or printed books, call or email 48-Hour Books. We're here to help.